Napay tao sa gawas? Di ba ni Hawa naman to? I look back there and he was gone. Sure ba? Abrihan na ako ni portahan. Ay! An episodic horror. Fears of Fathom. Home Alone. Fears of Fathom is an episodic psychological horror game where each episode unveils a short story narrated by the ones who survived. You're playing episode 1. More episodes are coming soon. Episode playtime 20 minutes. 20 minutes? Himula na ako nag 5 minutes. I'm the best. Fears to Fathom? Episode 1. Ano Fears to Fathom? Home Alone. July 12. It was the middle of the summer. My parents had left for that weekend due to a work trip, which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Also, I feel like I do have to mention that my sleep schedule was all really messed up around this time. I would sleep and get up at just about any time of the day, though I did plan on fixing that. Same. Alarm? I woke up at around 8 after a nap that evening. Hello? Si objectives na ko. Hello? Si makita na ko dere? Oh, gwapo kayong ambience bay. Gwapo kayong tanawin bay. Hello? Hello? Mom. Dad and I may be back by Sunday evening. Why are you being so paranoid, Mom? I'm 14. Think I'm gonna take a little nap. Probably gonna order some pizza, yes. No need to order anything. Already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Lasagna! Kuha tag lasagna sa lasagna, dedra. Lutoon na to lasagna. Lutoon. Food was cold. Food was nice and hot. I like watching TV while I ate. Okay, so magtanaw tag TV habang gakaon ug lasagna. Tara, magkaon. Nyaon sa may tanaw na ako nga off man ang TV. Busit, jugay ko ba? On sa na tong TV. On the TV. Yeah, words. O, taragis. Wow. Horror po din ginatanaw bay. Kaon sa tapit na. I was already feeling very sleepy after eating the food. So, matulog na ko. G to throw. G. Pak! Mura! Pataka, naglabay o. Labay na to sa TV. Pak! Mason Oliver. Hello, say, my parents are out for the night. Wanna come over? We can play Mario Kart 2. I'll let you know. Okay, call Josh too. I can't promise dude may have plans with Nat. We're gonna have to call it off, man. Something just came up. But you gotta come to Jessica's tomorrow. I probably should have closed refrigerator's door. Tama kay mugawas ang aircon. Mugawas ang hangin. Okay, matulog na. I remember I had homework to do before going to bed again. Homework. Batag homework. So may assignment na ko ba? Bullshit man eh. Pati sa dula na assignment. 12:38 a.m. I got done with the homework for the day in about a few hours. Homework was done. I was off to bed. Okay, tara matulog na ta. Pisti pila ka oras gibuhat ang assignment bay gabi no. Uy, Mom. Don't stay up too late, you kids. I shouldn't get to hear from Miss Paula this time. Okay. Tulog na. Bites. 1:16 a.m. I got up to get some water. Antusan na lang na. Oy, busit. Sinajump scare ba, busit? Unsa man na? Naiga bunal-bunal, bay. Kaya minom kong tubig. Ito. Unsa man na? Nalagi gasaba-saba lagi sa gawas. Bahala na inom sa tubig. Tubig. G to throw, right click to drink. Okay, so ang kwarto na ako ni inom mo ng tubig. Kayo man na nag-inom mo tubig. Attachment. Mom, ate. Miles, who's that at the door? You there? Manapurtahan. Who's at the door? Nabri tao diya. Wala man. So, naay tao sa gawas. O si buhato na ko. Abrihan ako na. May tao sa gawas? Sige mo daladala ng tubig labay na bi. Tuk. May tao sa gawas? Daw. Uy. Paula sent me, said he's been creeping through the windows. We're calling the cops. You kids lock every door and hide in your room. Don't answer the door no matter what he does. Don't answer the door? Naita ako sa gawas. I looked back there and he was gone. Samanto yate. I felt my heart skip a bit. Ako sad, busit. Napay tao sa gawas? Di ba ni Hawa naman to? I looked back there and he was gone. Sure ba? Abrihan na ako ng portahan. Ay! Sakita sa kundugan, oy. Abi ko wala na. Usab da, buguan ako, shit. Kuratanan ako, shit. Yati na po ding alarm clock, busit ng alarm clock. Nagdula agad ko, pra, di ko makabuhat og assignment. Sa dula, na po yung assignment, piskot. I couldn't focus because of TV's noise downstairs. Kailangan pa din ako i-off ang TV, busit. Okay, off ng TV, busit. Di ka makabuhat og assignment habang naka-on ang TV? yarn. Dili good ba klaro ang tao bay, ug kinsa na sa gawas. Kinsa daw? Kinsa man na nasa door. Di man maklaro. Paula sent me, said he's been creeping through the windows. We're calling the cops. You kids lock every door and hide in your room. Don't answer the door no matter what he does. Wala ko makita na tao sa purtahan bay. Ay, turao! Tura na tiguang! As I tried peeking through the blinds, he looked straight to me. Turao! Na tiguang! Hawa, dirabi. So, di na ko nabriyan. So, mutago ko sa akong kwarto bay. Dire na lang ko sa akong kwanoy, sa akong kwarto mutago. Saan pagtago, min? Saan pagtago? Dire sa room. Adra, click to hide. Kaya na ako sa ilalom sa akong kwan, ako sa ilalom sa akong daanan bay. Uy, gago. Gibuak ang among bintana, bay. Alo, gago ni nagdoorbell. Feel ako ni sulod na siya. Ngit-ngit na nung kamera. Do you hear her? It's Paula at the door. Mom, so sorry, honey. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Imong anak dere nay. Kamat yun na ni mong anak dere mo. Everything's gonna be alright. Sure ba si Paula ang nasa door? Ay, puta! Ma'am, tabang, ma'am. Pwede ko makamessage. Hello, pwede ko makamessage, bay. Ma'am, tabang, ma'am. Paula. It's Paula at the door. Asa si Paula, ma'am? Kako ni Abri ang portahan! Ni Abri ang portahan! Shit. Naisig doorbell niya ni Abri ang portahan. Kako. Ni Abri lagi. Wala yung bahala ka na. Matago na ako, bullshit. Unsay buhaton ako, sudlon ako to, na ikawat. Utro na yung pulis! Pulis! Tabang pulis! Pulis! Baba ko. Pulis! Tabang pulis! Kasi na diri sa room. A game by Ryle. Humana na! Maura to! A game by Ryle. Abran ako ni. Yes! Tura! Kinsa man na? Mo na si mama?